Okay, we're gonna start the angel food and the mocha frosting. First thing you need to do is cook your cake and let it cool. And then you're gonna cut it in thirds. Then you need to take about a 1/4 cup of hot water and put about 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and let that cool. And then you're gonna take your bowl and your whip paddle and put that in the freezer for about 10 minutes. And after that, I'll be back. Okay, we're gonna start the frosting. So get your bowl and your whip out of the freezer. And you're gonna pour in a pint of heavy whipping cream. And you're gonna start whipping this. And I'm gonna get my other ingredients while it's whipping. While that's whipping, take 2 tablespoons of cocoa and sprinkle it in. And mix that up for just a second. Okay, now you're gonna take about just a tablespoon of the coffee that you made, the real strong coffee. Add that in. And then get yourself about 2 cups of confectionery sugar. And you're gonna start adding that in and just let it whip. So 2 cups. And just start whipping it and adding your sugar, and I'll be back. Scrape your bowl halfway through and do your taste test. And I'm gonna put 1 more tablespoon of the coffee in. I'm gonna put a little bit more coffee in. Okay, I got mine done. I put a total of 5 tablespoons of coffee in mine. Just scrape your bowl really well and just beat it for another 15 seconds after you've scraped it. Okay, now we're gonna frost the cake. This is really good. I cut my cake in thirds. You can do it in half. So let me get set up on my other station. Okay, now you're gonna start frosting. Get your first layer, which is actually the top layer. And this does not have to be a thick coat. And then go and get your second layer. Okay, put that on. Frost that. Like I said, it doesn't have to be a thick layer. got your next piece. Which is actually the bottom piece. And you're gonna frost this and then frost your sides, and I'll be back. Okay, once you have it all frosted, because it was a tube pan, you can take your leftover frosting and drop it in the hole. Then you're gonna take a little chocolate and grate the top. And that's it. This needs to be refrigerated for a few hours before you cut it. And thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. And y'all have a good day.